The Paulownia's regenerative power through coppicing, making it an ideal solution for sustainable forestry, climate action, and local economies. In the world of sustainable forestry, few trees are as extraordinary as Paulownia. Known as the phoenix tree, this unique species has a remarkable ability to regenerate after being harvested, offering a powerful solution to global environmental challenges. Through an ancient technique called coppicing, Paulownia has the ability to grow back with astounding speed after its trunk is cut down. Coppicing is a time-honored method where trees naturally sprout new shoots from their stump after the main stem is harvested. For Paulownia, this characteristic is especially powerful. This tree does not require replanting after each harvest. Paulownia's established root system remains intact, fueling rapid regrowth. The roots, which have been developing for years, provide nutrients and energy to the new shoots, allowing them to grow at a very rapid pace, sometimes reaching 13 feet in a single season. We don't need to replant after harvesting Paulownia. The roots stay strong, and within just a few years, we're ready to harvest again. It's truly a gift for sustainable farming. The benefits of coppicing Paulownia are clear. With a growth cycle that can be as short as 5 to 7 years after planting, subsequent harvests can be ready in just 3 to 5 years. This rapid regrowth maximizes productivity, providing multiple harvests from the same land without the need for replanting. This not only saves time, but also reduces reforestation costs, making Paulownia an economic powerhouse for regenerative timber production. The continuous regeneration of Paulownia provides a steady and reliable supply of wood, helping stabilize the timber market and reducing the pressure on natural, old-growth forests. But the benefits go beyond timber. Paulownia's rapid growth also means it is a carbon sink, absorbing CO2 at impressive rates and playing a significant role in climate change mitigation. Its deep root system helps prevent soil erosion, especially in areas vulnerable to land degradation. As the tree regrows, it continues to improve soil structure and enrich it with organic matter, contributing to healthier landscapes. This makes Paulownia a key player in land restoration efforts, helping to revitalize degraded lands while simultaneously offering economic opportunities through timber and biomass production. Maximizing the potential of Paulownia requires careful management. Growers typically prune young trees of their branches to encourage a strong, straight trunk, which will yield the highest quality timber. Coppicing allows Paulownia to regenerate quickly and sustainably. By carefully managing the sprouts and choosing the strongest ones, we can ensure that each harvest is as productive as the last. Through this cycle of growth and regrowth, Paulownia supports local communities, providing both environmental restoration and economic empowerment. The phoenix tree rises from the ashes to renew itself time and again. Paulownia's regenerative power offers a glimpse into the future of sustainable forestry, where productivity, environmental stewardship, and climate resilience work hand in hand. Paulownia's remarkable regenerative capabilities after harvest, highlighting the tree's ability to regrow through coppicing and the environmental, economic, and sustainable benefits it brings. The Paulownia tree, regenerating the earth. Discover more at bioeconomysolutions.com.